final. There is so many high-level paddlers coming soon, so I think you need to be almost clean or very fast to have a good hope for the final. I think Italian paddler Chiara Sabattini lose her way on the first part. She already have 12 seconds, so this time it will be so difficult for her.
Chiara Sabattini is quite strong in the K1 as well. I mean, the C1, sorry. Brain fried after so many hours of commentating, which is fun. That was a bit of a careless touch.
So we have a lot of mistakes on the first part, actually. Lena Tönnissen missed, I think, the first stagger. So it will be maybe a key point of this category to success the first part.